In 2026 Toyota RAV4, the 12-volt battery is located in the back of the vehicle, underneath this plastic panel. To access the battery, first we have to lift up this floor panel, and you will see a small handle right here, and there is also another one over the shelf in this area. This can be used to pull out this panel, so I will pull towards myself and the cover will come out. And right here you will see the 12-volt battery. This is the type of the battery, 360LN2 EFB, capacity is 60 amp hours and 345 cold cranking amps. This cover has 11 clips all around, so when you install it, make sure that they go into the appropriate slots. I will reinstall the cover. And now this big panel will go back in. You can remove it completely, but we just folded it. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.